Hi guys, welcome to the new video on the 5th of May. Today we'll be looking at what happened in the Nifty and what could we expect tomorrow, and two very special stocks. One of them you can see on the screen. Let us go to Nifty first and then come back to the stocks. So Nifty Bank today. Yesterday, as I had said, that the market looks bearish because there was quite a bit of selling pressure, and today it has negated because there was buying emerging from this level, which is 31,200. I was anticipating it's gonna come down till here, but that didn't happen. So you should trade what you see and not trade what you think, right? So this was the bullish candle which we saw in the first half today on the 4-hour charts. So exactly took support at this level. Either if the selling would have continued today, then we could have seen this level, but then it didn't. Somehow, after 10 o'clock, once the RBI governor uh, came and gave clarity saying that we will be providing additional liquidity support, then the bulls in the banks started. So there was nothing over here to trade in the first half. In the first half, it was more or less sideways to choppy. Only in the last 1 hour, you could see that there was some kind of buying coming in. So this is a very important level, as I had mentioned from before as well, 32,500. So now let us say that we get a closing about 33,000 round figure, as yesterday also I was telling you guys. इसके ऊपर अगर निकलता है, then tomorrow's expiry could be very volatile. Not volatile, it could be a trending expiry tomorrow. About 33,000 closing अगर देता है बैंक निफ्टी, तो ये जाएगा सीधा 33,500 एंड प्रॉब्ली 34,000 एज वेल. तो ये हमारा अप्रोच रहेगा कल के लिए. सेलिंग हम तब करेंगे जब ये 33,000 से रिजेक्ट होके फिर नीचे आ जाता है. अगर नीचे आता है एंड इट गिव्स अ क्लोजिंग बिलो 32,500 ऑन द स्पॉट, फिर अपन सेलिंग के लिए सोचेंगे. उसके बिना सेलिंग के लिए नहीं सोचेंगे. ठीक है. दिस वाज निफ्टी बैंक. नाउ लेट्स गो बैक टू निफ्टी. So if you see Nifty Bank में, this thing has engulfed the yesterday's candle, whereas in Nifty it's still not out of the woods. So Nifty में again see for 14,505, that was the very important level which I was. So now it has taken the support again from there and then it has come. So this is a stick sandwich. So this is bullish, rejection, bearish, again bullish. But ideal scenario would have had to close above this, but it's okay. देखते हैं अब कल क्या होता है. इंटरेस्टिंग है, इनसाइड बार बनाया आज वापस. डेली पे इनसाइड बार है, तो ये इनसाइड है, ये आउटसाइड है, वापस इनसाइड है. So now it looks slightly kind of bullish, but then we need participation from more sectors for this to keep going higher. Looking at the IT is not really doing much. तो इस पे भी मैंने ट्रिपल टॉप का सिनेरियो बन रहा था यहाँ पे, but then that also seems to have gotten negated as of now. Not negated, as long as it closes above this level 24,600, तब तक अपन को ज़्यादा aggressive buying नहीं करना है. Okay, so now I'll be coming to two very interesting stocks. Number one is ITC. On the daily charts, see, this is a very, very strong support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is very, very strong. So there's no way that ITC can go below 200. And right now on the 4-hour charts, it has given a very strong reversal candle. Right? तो यहाँ से मिनिमम 210 तक तो मूव मिल जाएगा, इसमें मिल जाना चाहिए. मोर और लेस. यस, 210 तक तो मिल ही जाएगा लग रहा है, एज ऑफ हाउ दिस चार्ट इज लुकिंग. तो ये जो हायर टाइम फ्रेम वाला सपोर्ट है, इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो I कैन सी अ मूव टिल 210 कमिंग अप. You can maybe be a little aggressive and stick to some stop loss. तो इसमें your stop loss is just 2 rupees away, 200. Yeah, just 2 rupees away stop loss है. तुम्हारा target 8 rupees है. मैंने तो एंट्री ले ली थी वैसे, but then it's a good risk reward ratio to go long on this stock as of at this price. ठीक है. Even on the weekly, if you see, it has made a very nice doji, although it's not yet end of the week. यहाँ पे doji doji बना है अच्छा वाला. So let us say we get a closing somewhere here. That should be a very bullish sign, saying that अगले हफ्ते. See, this was a doji candle on the weekly. This was bearish again, similar to what Nifty did on the daily chart. ये bullish again, bearish. This is again this. This is a reversal candle. So if this guy manages to close till here, that is where you're getting the target of 207, 208 from. ठीक है. So this was ITC. Oh, as I had mentioned in my previous video, that Nifty Pharma would be the strongest sector going into this month, and you saw what happened today. Nifty Pharma, Lupin was up 12%, and Bio Oro Pharma was up about 6%, Sun Pharma was up about 5%, Glenmark 3%. So all the pharma stocks have done really well, and I had mentioned that in the previous video also, that Nifty Pharma is the strongest sector. You can I'll just post a link to that, so you can just have a look. So now even beyond this, I think now if there's a rally beyond this, then there's going to be a heavy short covering coming up in pharma stocks, right? So ये weekly, तो yesterday's daily candle looked bearish, right? This candle looked bearish कि top हो गया है. Then that was not the intention. फटाफट भगा दिया lupin wupin. I think this entire rally came after the RBI governor said that he will get additional loan facility from the government. So whatever fundamental trigger that this one has gotten, but then technically I had mentioned it much back on the last on Sunday that Nifty Pharma is the strongest sector, and you can see the result today. Yeah, and then one more stock that I would like to discuss is, I think I had tweeted this also, Biocon. Now all the other pharma stocks have moved up quite a bit, and this guy is the lagging one. So now if you see ये range बना चुका है stock, इसका 370 नीचे है और 420 ऊपर है, correct? So from here, if you can take a trade, let's say on futures or options or whatever, futures में लेना चाहिए इसको. तो ये देखो, this is on the weekly charts. ये यहाँ पे this is a very strong support. Around 370 is a very strong support for Biocon. तो यहाँ से अगर ये निकलता है तो मिनिमम टारगेट इसका रहेगा, फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस इसको यहाँ पे मिलेगा अराउंड 400, एंड अगर 400 पार करता है देन 420 इज योर नेक्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. ठीक है. These are the two stocks that look very bullish to me as of now. One is ITC and the second one is Biocon. And apart from that, Oro Pharma has given a fresh multi-year breakout almost. तो 1018 दिखा रहा है अभी. I think ये एडजस्टमेंट वाला है because last 15 minutes it did go up. Yeah, so 1024 is the actual one, but then ये अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट हो गया है इसमें. So I had mentioned this कि 1000 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग देगा then it will be a heavy short covering. That the reason behind that being कि 1000 being a round level, there are a lot of call writers who are situated over there. So उसके वजह से हमेशा कॉल राइटिंग वालों को अगर निकालना है तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी बुलिश कैंडल एंड दिस इज़ जस्ट बिगिनिंग ऑफ द मंथ. और अगर ये निकलता है यहाँ से देन 1200 is what I had mentioned as a target in my previous video. Could go much higher. Another stock which I had again mentioned in the previous one was Glenmark. So this one also gave a very nice candle today, but this is not as bullish as the other ones. So today majority of the action was with large cap pharma. So Sun Pharma, Oro, and Lupin. So these three were the ones. यहाँ पे clear by बन रहा था. This I think I had mentioned in the previous pharma video also. See, look at the volumes. These are massive volumes. इसका मैं मंथली पे भी एनालिसिस कर चुका हूँ. वो आप पीछे पीछे वाले वीडियो जाके देखो कि इसके ऊपर निकला है ये सीधा 800 तक जाने वाला है. ठीक है. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks. That's for today. I'll just attach the links to the other videos so you can see. Thanks.